Just want to do a quick little run around on this Porsche. I'm about to do pretty much a basic detail, but we're definitely going to clay the paint surface and rub out a few minor imperfections. You can see she's a little rough in a few places. A few scratches here on the mirror, back side of the mirror. You know what I mean? She's a little rough, but not too bad. A couple little scratches here. Something in the corner there. A little minor things that we go ahead and take care of while we're at it. Anything that's not too deep or too far through the clear coat, we'll go ahead and just get it taken care of. Get this thing looking like it needs to. We're gonna we had a few spots on that fender right there. It's a little hard to see because of the sun, but this headlight, we're gonna try to rework this headlight and these two marker lights down here, because you can see over here that the passenger side headlight has been replaced, so we need to try to get these looking a little better. It's a little hard to see, but we got some scratches and scuffs on this front bumper right here. It's right in the sun, which makes it hard to see, but you see right here, some more scuffs right there. A few things we're gonna work out of this. Paint on this, clean up the wheels, and then interior is not too bad, but it can definitely use some love. A lot of dark spots, fingerprints on this tan leather. We'll clean all of this up. Handprints, all of that needs to be cleaned up. Speaker grills, steering wheel, even the shifter's dirty. So we'll go through the inside, spend some time on the leather, clean and condition it, and get this Porsche looking like Porsche needs to be. All that dust and dirt and those cracks, take care of all of that too. There it is. Let's get it popping. End result of the Porsche, here it is. Passenger headlight came out much better. Marker lights didn't do so well. A whole lot of oxidation on the insides of them. The car came out beautiful.